Hey guys, just thought I'd do some sound samples out of this Borg ME535. I'm not the greatest player in the world. I'm just going to strum some chords and have a little fun. So anyways, yeah, here we go. We're going to be in the neck position, some pretty clean tones, just so you can see what it sounds like. All right. Got a little brighter. Not too bad though. A little out of tune for a second. This is alright. Yeah, that bridge is definitely a little hotter. It's taking on a I didn't do anything on the amp with the gain settings, and it's getting a little growl to it. Anyways, that's it. I'm going to see how this all came out on the video, and yeah, have a good day, y'all.